Today we'll be making an origami bird. So to start with, we'll need a single square sheet of paper. If you only have A4, have a look at our video on how to change that into a square. So with your square sheet, we're going to fold from the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And we're creating a crease. Then we'll fold from the bottom left to the top right. And we'll create another crease. Next we'll fold the top point down, just the first layer, folding right down to that bottom tip and creating a crease. Then we'll turn our project over and we'll fold again, top, down to the bottom, and we'll create a crease. We're going to bring this tip down to the bottom in the middle. We're just bringing the first layer down and creating a crease. Then we'll turn our project over. We're going to do the same, bringing the tip down to the bottom in the middle and creating a crease. We'll now open our model up slightly. And then this triangle here, which is currently facing upwards, we're going to push down. Then we're going to bring that back together. So that it's facing downwards. We're going to do the same on the other side. So we'll open the side up. And the triangle here, which is facing upwards, push down in the middle. Bring those sides back together. Give them a crease. Turn it this way. These points are now facing downwards, whereas previously they were facing up. Give it all a crease. Depending on the orientation of your project, one end is going to be closed and the other end open. What we'll do, we're going to use the closed end and we're creating a crease which runs from around this point here. And we're going to be taking our left hand point, folding it up so that you can still slightly see this point sitting underneath. So we'll press that down firmly and create a crease. Now that we have that crease on the left, we can open our model up. We're going to push in on that crease. So it folds the other way round. Bring our model back together. You should be left with this shape. Then turn our model round. So this is the head at this end. We're going to lift up the first layer. Stick it straight up. So you should be able to open this fold up completely. Just press down, give it a crease. We'll turn our model over. We're going to do the same, lifting that first flap up, opening up completely, and creating a crease. Depending on your folds, the wings may not be completely matched up as it is in my model, but if your folds are 100% accurate, those wings should match up as well. Next we'll be working on the tail. So we'll take a hold of the tail. I'm just going to point this tip straight down, giving us a straight line through here. And we'll create a crease. We'll flip our model over, lift the tail back up. We're just going to be folding it down again on this side and creating a crease. This will help us with our next fold. So we're going to open it up. We'll open up the tail area. We're going to be squashing in the tail. So we're bringing this point down against the line so it becomes flat. Then give a crease to either side. Then push on both sides. To bring the tail down. Then it will leave you with an origami bird. Hope that you enjoy.